Often students ask question, which ground class mode is better, offline or online? And my answer would be always offline. Yes, although in today's time there are both modes available, online and offline. But here are the reasons why you should go for offline mode. So first would be face reading. Yes, face reading enables teaching better. In offline setup, instructors are able to read face expression and body language and confusion of the students, and also allows them to express it with clarity. While this element is missing in online mode, which leads to misunderstanding or unnoticed doubts. Second would be interactive sessions. Yes, in offline setup, interactive sessions becomes very natural. Students can freely ask the questions without having fear of speaking on mic, camera shyness or internet lag. While scenario is not same in online mode. Also, in offline mode, they engage in topic, get clarity and absorb it without any hesitation. Third would be group learning and doubt discussion. In offline setup, students discuss questions and topics among themselves, brainstorm ideas and even explain topic to each other, which is clearly very difficult to do so in online mode. Also, in offline mode, students have access to the instructor. Fourth would be mock test and confidential materials. Yes, offline mock test ensures fairness. No cheating, no switching tabs and full under supervision. Also, there are confidential materials which can be shared in offline mode only, not in online. And the last but not least would be real aviation environment and pilot exposure. When any students come to offline class, they get full exposure regarding aviation and aviators. They discuss about the cockpit stories, real life experiences, and they also met a lot of airline pilot. So basically, this offline mode not only give them exposure about aviation, but also give them the mindset of aviator. That's the reason you should go for offline mode always.